Hi everybody, this is the ZOWELL Truck Production Base, Suzhou Pioneer Material Handling Equipment and Technology Company Limited. We have been focusing on electric storage and handling equipment R&D manufacturing for more than 10 years, and we have the ZOWELL brand. How can ZOWELL maintain exuberant vitality after the harsh rigors of the market? Today, let's look at the answers. Modern, simplicity, delicacy, and elegance. The hull coming into view embodies the originality and excellence of ZOWELL. The display of qualification honors shows our 10-year brand history and growth. The clean and bright administrative area records our struggle through history. Let's go to this department and appreciate the style of ZOWELL today. Hello, this is ZOWELL. As the bridge between ZOWELL and the world, the International Marketing Center brings ZOWELL out of China and provides the world with more warehouse logistics link services. We push ZOWELL to more than 50 countries and areas. Please visit the R&D Center. The center has 28 expert engineers who specialize in vehicle structure design, automatic control, and process manufacturing. By introducing the German technology and cooperating with domestic research institutes and key institutions, we improve the stability of ZOWELL products and innovation. We provide a steady stream of new products for domestic and international markets. In front of us is the ZOWELL 20,000 square meter modern production plant, 150 trained workers, organized assembly areas, and vehicle assembly areas. 6,000 electric material handling equipments are produced every year for the world. We control the material quality strictly and purchase the advanced experimental equipment to achieve the multidimensional, omnidirectional, high-precision control process for ensuring the qualified rate of parts and components up to 100% before they go online. Row by row, clearly marked parts warehouse reflects the lean management of production. ZOWELL is well aware of the importance of a sophisticated process equipment for product quality assurance and fully adopts automated production, which saves manpower and material resources and realizes the accurate control of product quality at the same time. There are all kinds of semi-finished vehicles. Why do they have such exquisite appearance and good quality? The answer of this secret is on the assembly line. The whole vehicle standardized assembly stage can be divided into two parts, the component area and the vehicle assembly area. The assembly area of components is comprised of control component area, hydraulic component area, electrical component area, and so on. The station is equipped with perfect operation instruction and testing equipment to ensure the strict quality of the whole vehicle in the component equipment stage. The vehicle assembly area consists of wheel assembly, steering assembly, hydraulic assembly, electrical installation, panel assembly, commissioning, and other workstations. Employees are responsible for their own duties and take the professional responsibility to ensure the smooth assembly of the vehicle. There are many kinds of stacker frames on the assembly area. This is the last working procedure of high-lift vehicle assembly, and the quality products will soon enter the inspection area. We insist on the priority of product quality. All shipped products must undergo layers of strict inspection to ensure the product stability and reliability. This will be the cornerstone of our customer respect and international reputation. After seeing the production area, please follow me to the customer discussion corner, where we can discuss the product details. After listening to your needs, we will provide you with an optimal solution. Here, you can see the domestic and foreign well-known enterprises which have established business with us. Each of these names conveys our professionalism and good reputation. We sincerely look forward to cooperating with you. Thank you.